Hey y'all, hey, this video is going to be all about how to organize your balloon inventory. So hey, it is Karen Sawyer. If this is your first time, welcome, and if you're returning, welcome back. Now look, don't judge me now. I'm gonna tell you it's a wreck. I'm gonna show you what it currently looks like, and you are going to go with me throughout this journey. I'm actually on my way now to pick up one of my helpers. He does not have a car, so he is a teenager, and I'm going to go pick him up, and he's going to help me go to Walmart to pick up some of the bins that I'm going to be using, and then I'll show you the chaos that I have created. And I am a true creative. I'm telling you, I make a mess. Not only am I going to be organizing, but I'm going to actually get all of this inventory into my system, and then I'm going to have to make it a habit to scan everything when I'm taking items out of the bin, so I know what I have left on hand. So again, you are going to go with us today to shop for the bins, and then you'll get behind the scenes of what the mess looks like, and then after that we'll come back to show you the next step. All right, stay tuned. Hi.
Hello.
That's what I'm getting ready to get, a Red Bull. So I got you on video. Say hi to everybody.
Hi.
So this is my helper. So we're on our way to Walmart, y'all, and we will come back once we get into the store. All right. Bye for now.
Bye, guys.
All right. I hope that they have enough. I don't know how much I'm getting today, but a couple bins. We shall see. That's not it. All right, let me find it. All right, so we decided to go with a combination of the medium, that's $19.98, and then we're going to also do the wide. So I'm going to do a combination, see if this works in my space. All right, here we go. So I'll hold on to your receipt, and if it works, I'll be coming back and getting some more. Well, I'll wipe them out in this one, so I'll have to go to another Walmart. All right, stay tuned. All right, you guys, trip number 2. I had to go to a different Walmart to get some more, and you'll see that they ran out of black, so I decided to mix the one wall so it'll be white. All right, heading back to the venue to set these extra bins up.
Okay, we got smallest to biggest, starting with the 360, whatever they go 5-inch, you know, up. And then we got red, blue, orange, and then we got the different patterns, mostly flowery stuff. Zigzag, stars, yep, cow print. I'm about to mix the cow print with the animal print though, because there's a bunch more. And then we got little smiley faces, Halloween, these question marks, tie-dye, the anchors, happy birthday.
So I'm gonna tell you, these are just considered prints. So what I would do is put them, for an example.
I just put them all in order for now, and I figured.
Okay, so like we'll probably do like the stars and anything like with 4th of July or something. Halloween, it would be all the Halloween stuff. The question mark is for baby showers. The happy birthday will go with birthday stuff. We'll figure it all out. Yep. Okay, we're getting there. All righty.